Hello friends, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So friends, in this video I'm going to give you 3 essential tips which are really important to speak English properly. My first tips will be reading a lot. If you read a lot, then you must be able to understand how to make sentence and how to use words in different contexts. So if you want to speak English properly, do read storybooks and novels. That will definitely help you to improve your English. My second tips will be vocabulary. If you have good stock of vocabulary, then it must help you to improve your spoken English as well as writing. So try to increase your vocabulary. That will definitely help you to improve your spoken English. My third tips will be mirror method. I can understand that during lockdown and even you don't get partners with whom you can practice spoken English, but doesn't matter you are getting partners or not, you have to choose a topic. So in this video I'm going to explain what is mirror method. Mirror method is a method where you have to choose a topic and you have to say something about that topic by standing in front of the mirror, which is called mirror method. That will definitely help you to improve your spoken English. So do follow these tips and this will definitely help you to improve your spoken English. Thank you friend for watching this video.